Layla here, or Callie, and welcome back to my channel where all I do is crochet and talk about yarn, apparently. If you want to find me on other places other than YouTube, you can find me on Instagram where I share all things crochet, all knitwear, anything dealing with yarn, and just, you know, just crafting in general because I love it. But anyway, today I am so freaking excited, guys, because the yarn that I've been waiting for literally only 6 days. It only took 6 days to get here. It came from the UK. I think the brand is called Purple Sheep's Yarn or Purple Sheep Yarn or something like that. It's like the small family farm place that holds the Drops yarn because I got Drops Alpaca Silk and Drops Kid Silk, which is a mohair. So here's the package. Hold up. Here's the package. Oh my god. And now I need to open it so that I can actually see what is in here. Okay. Imagine it not be the yarn. Oh my gosh. I would literally cry because I have been so anxious to get this yarn. Like, if you ask my sisters, I have been literally annoying them with how much I talk about this yarn, okay? I haven't even used this yarn before. I guess I'm just excited to use something other than cotton or acrylic. So, okay, I can't open this. So let's use some scissors. Okay, this should be good enough. My sister's cat is just staring at me, but he's sleepy. Hello. Okay, almost there. Gosh. Okay. It's open! Oh my god! Okay. What's in here? Okay, let me put this down. It's like my invoice thingy, so I don't want to leak anything. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's all in like one thing. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. I can't believe that this is in my hands right now. So I said I can't believe it's just like it's not butter. I can't believe this is in my hands right now. I've been watching so many videos. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm so excited. It's all together? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it looks the same. Yeah, it does. Oh yeah, like the texture, the fiber. Yeah. Oh my god. Like, these are different. Yeah. That's crazy. Right? But yeah, purple sheep. So that is where I got the yarn from. I got 2 different colors because I wanted to blend them. And I just wanted to see what it would turn out like. So... oh my god, it's like touching a cloud. Oh god. Okay. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Holy. Okay, first things first. This is the Drops Alpaca Silk. I'll let it focus on it. There we go. So Drops Alpaca Silk. And it is a luxurious blend of brushed alpaca and mulberry silk. Very nice. Okay, very nice. The color is, here we go again with me not being able to find the color. Hello? Is it down here? Okay, I don't see it. What is this color? It is 25 grams. 153 yards or 140 meters, and also 77% alpaca and 23% silk. I really want to know what this color is, but it's not showing me. It's not telling me what the color is. I'm gonna look and see what color I got. So alpaca. Okay, in the brush alpaca, I got light sea green, so color number 15. That is what I got in this. Oh my gosh, like, where are the strands? Okay, I see the strands. Oh my goodness, do I use this hook? Like, look at it. This is my 4mm hook. So like, do I use my 4mm or do I go smaller? Like, oh my gosh, this is so Nice. It is so soft. This is exactly what I wanted. I love the halo because it's so fluffy. I wanted a fluffy yarn. Okay, next is the Drops Kid Silk, and it is soft and luxurious in super kid mohair and silk. Let me show you the label. The label, Kid Silk. And both of these were made in, well, this was made in Europe. That was made in Peru, I think it said. So this one says the weight is 25 grams and the length is 210 meters or 230 yards. It is 75% mohair, 25% silk. So this is mohair. So alpaca, mohair. And this is also very soft. I have not felt yarn this soft before. This feels like my cat. Like my sister's cat, I call them all my cat. My sister's cat has very silky, soft fur, and it feels exactly like that. Oh my gosh, hold up. Let me see the strands. Look at how thin this strand is. Oh my gosh. So I'll show you on my crochet hook. Like this is a very thin yarn. So I will definitely, I'm wondering if I should cake these up, like both of them up, or just cake the mohair and then put this on my little spinner, because I have a spinner. I think I showed you in a clip, but I have a spinner and it helps with like pulling the yarn when you can't find a middle. So I'm wondering if I should put this alpaca on this, pull it from here, and then cake up the mohair. So I think I'll cake up the mohair, see what that looks like, and show you guys what it looks like. And then I'll determine if I want to cake up the alpaca or not. Maybe I'll cake up the alpaca as well. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know yet. But these are the two. I got 10 balls each. So I don't know if that is too much or if it's just enough. I want to make a sweater vest with it first, and then I'll see what yarn I have left. And then I'll determine if I want to make something else. Or maybe I'll give it to my sisters to make a sweater vest as well. Because I do want to make a pattern for this. But I'm wondering if I should use my 4mm hook or if I should use my 2.25mm hooks that will be coming in that I got from Furls as well. But I will see. Let me cake this mohair up and show you what it looks like caked up. And then I think I'll just leave this be. I forgot to tell you guys that the Kid Silk mohair color is in apple green. So I got light sea green in the alpaca and apple green in the mohair. That's my sister's cat meowing to get out. Alrighty, now I have my little winder thingy and I'm going to spin up the mohair first, and then I'll probably spin up the alpaca as well, just so I can see how it's like. So I will try the two together and maybe do a little swatch, even though I know it's hard to definitely frog mohair, but I'm gonna have to do it today because I want to swatch this, see how it works with my 4mm, because if it's not the way that I want, I will definitely wait for my 2.25mm hooks to come in and use those to create my sweater vest with these yarns. So now I'm gonna cake them up. slouching down a little bit, but you know, let me break it up, pick it up. I can't find the middle of this yarn at all. Like this is the edge, this is the piece around it, but I can't find the middle piece to start. I mean, I finished the mohair. Finished winding up the mohair, if that will focus. Yeah, look at that. Wait, no? Hello? What are you focusing on? Focus on this. Yes, look at that. Beautiful. So, this is caked up and nice. This doesn't want to be caked up and nice. So, I'm just not going to cake it up. I'm just going to put it on the spindle right here. Bloop. Wait. Bloop. And then I'll just take from the edging. And I'm gonna do it like that. This doesn't seem to stick together the way Mohair does, which I'm grateful for. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to try to swatch it because I'm going to be working with both strands together. So I'm gonna see how that turns out with my 4mm hook, okay? Let me just set it down here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Guys, okay, so I think I might be a yarn snob now because this is the only yarn I want to work with ever again, okay? Like, oh my gosh, first of all, I felt like I was working with air. Usually that'll seem like that's a bad thing, right? I feel like my camera's not even straight. That seems like that'll be a bad thing, right? Wrong. It is. I crocheted so quickly with this. Like, I made 10 rows, so this is my swatch. My swatch. This is what it looks like with a 4mm hook. Not bad at all. I'm going to be using the knit stitch for the sweater, so I think this will be good enough to use. I think this 4mm hook will do what it needs to do for this. Look at that halo. Oh gosh, the mohair gives it a nice like gold looking accent in this yarn, and I love it so much. Oh my gosh, like this is what the alpaca looks like, and this is the swatch. Like, look at how much greener it is because of the mohair. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I just want to use this yarn right now, but I can't because I need to commit to my next project after this. But trust and believe, I will be making a video on me using this mohair to make my sweater vest. I'll be making a pattern and everything. I just cannot wait. Oh my gosh. So that is all I have for this video. What do I rate this yarn? Both yarns? 10 out of 10. Okay, 10 out of 10 for the alpaca silk, 10 out of 10 for the mohair silk. I'm in love with this and I can't wait to make a project out of it. Like, I'm already in love with my swatch. I don't even want to unravel it, but I will because no yarn goes to waste here, okay? None. I want to make a sweater vest already. It's gonna be a summery sweater vest, nice, light, and fluffy. This is the lightest swatch I've ever made, not in color, but in weight. Oh gosh, I am singing its praises, okay? 10 out of 10. Let me know if you guys have ever worked with alpaca silk or alpaca period. It doesn't have to be alpaca silk, alpaca or mohair. I know as crocheters, these are yarns that like we literally do not hear about because this is not something that we would use. We usually stick with acrylic or cotton or wool, sometimes merino wool maybe, but other than that we don't usually stray to the lighter weights or the natural fibers like this. At least I don't see that, okay, on Instagram or on YouTube. So I'm excited to see if you guys have, and if you ever will. And I'm also thinking of making something using just mohair and see how thin that is. Oh gosh, I will definitely experiment. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you did like this video and if you want to see more videos from me. Also, definitely follow my Instagram if you want to see more of my reactions and behind the scenes of everything that I do when I'm crocheting. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!